special season full of life and lovely reasons. Spring is when the flowers grow. Daisies, tulips, all in a row. Red, yellow, pink, and white brighten up the day and night. Birds build nests up in the trees, feeding babies, chirping with ease. Can you hear their happy song? Spring's the season all along. The rain comes down and makes things green. Puddles splash where children lean. Jump and stomp and splash around. Springtime fun is all around. Bumblebees buzz and butterflies fly. Colorful wings in the sky. They gather nectar from the flowers. Springtime's magic hour by animals wake up from their sleep. Hopping rabbits, creeping sheep. Froglets croak by the pond. Spring's the time when life responds. Let's learn about the weather too. Spring can be both bright and new. Sunshine, warm and gentle rain help plants grow again and again. We wear our jackets lighter now and go outside to wonder how nature changes every day. Spring is here, hip hip hooray! So what do we see in spring? Flowers, birds, and bees that sing. Colors, rain, and smiling faces. Springtime's joy in all the places. Remember, spring is a time to share, to love the world and show you care. Nature's gift so fresh